Hello and what is up, my Atlanteans? For today's very exciting video. So what happened was, this past weekend, I found like this really good Bratz slot on Facebook Marketplace. It was a $65 Bratz slot. I know, it sounds like a lot. It was a lot. But actually, I got 8 dolls out of it. So I know that like $65 for like 8 dolls, like that sounds like a lot. But if you see how much Bratz dolls are worth nowadays, like for one whole completed doll, let's say, it's gonna be less than like $50, like no less than $50. Not saying that I have any complete doll, I have one. I'm gonna call it complete because she looks complete to me and I think that's enough. But I mean, for me it was worth it. For what I was able to afford, I think that it was worth it, and I'm really excited to show them all to you. I will warn though, I tried to do my research, and for like 3 of them, I do not know who they are, and I don't know what some of these pieces are, so I will bring them up and also show them, obviously, but like, help me out in the comments. So the first doll that we got, oh my gosh, here is the beautiful, oh my gosh, is it Formal Funk Sasha? No, it's not, wait. Funk Out Sasha. I do already have a couple pieces of her. I have her first outfit skirt, and I think I have her second outfit shirt, but unfortunately she doesn't come in anything that is hers. I think the shoes are hers. I'm gonna say they're hers. She's coming wearing a Bratz Boys pair of pants, which I actually really like. It's quite nice, these ones. They have like a little chain on it. They have like this really nice brown, ooh, yeah, these are a little crusty. We've got a little brown stripe on the side. It's like not too bad. We've even got like the little silver grommets there to hold the chain thing together. And she is wearing a Monster High Abby's, I think it's a music festival Abby's shirt. I mean, I'll end up selling it, but it's nice that at least she came dressed. And she does actually come with her original sunglasses as well, and a little bit of her hairstyle here. She's gonna need a lot of TLC, but she is going to look so cute afterwards. I think I'm just gonna full on restyle her because like I don't have enough pieces to like redress her, and if there's a point where I end up redressing any of my dolls in their original outfits, I can just like redo their hair and everything. So for now, I'm gonna like style these how I want to. I'll probably make a separate video on that. But here is Sasha. I like didn't know what to search up. I was just like Sasha doll with green eyeliner and like sunglasses, and luckily I was able to find out who she is. I'm not very like in with the Bratz identification, unfortunately, so all of these were pretty hard to find, but I don't know. In the end, I found who she was, and I'm super happy with her. She's super cute. Yeah, and like the seller like takes really good care of her dolls, like for how old they are. Like they're pretty well kept. Next, we have my childhood doll. Stop, I'm gonna cry. I have Bratz, like, what is it called? Bratz, the movie dolls? Can I call them that? Like the dolls that came with the Bratz movie, the live action one. Here is Yasmin. She's so stinking pretty, and she's wearing Formal Funk Sasha's outfit. That's not bad. And honestly, she doesn't even come with her dress anyway, so I think I'm just gonna keep her in this, like maybe add a shawl or something, make it a little bit more fancy. Unfortunately, her earrings have been unhooked and they're missing, but the tiny hoops they can do for now. So yeah, she looks pretty good. Her eyelashes are still in. It doesn't even look like she got a haircut, so I think I'll just need to brush that out and wash it. Yeah, she's just so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the memories. I remember when I was like when I first got her as a kid, this was like the first doll that my mom helped me like unbox. Like, you know, like I don't know, that's just like a really nice memory, because like even though like as a kid I was allowed to like play with dolls, there was a point when I wasn't, but it's just like really nice memories thinking about the times when I was allowed to like kind of like what I like. So yeah, here she is. Oh my god, she's so cute. Then next, I got a Bratz boy. Listen, like nothing against the Bratz boys. In fact, like there was a point when I was like, should I just collect the Bratz boys because I like them so much? But unfortunately, it's like, I think I've like grown too far from like how I felt about them since the beginning. I will say though, their like outfits and their styles like still hold up. So like, I'm not even mad about it. It's just that unfortunately, they're not really like my style, I think, if that's what I'm trying to say. I'm not 100% sure who this is. I'm pretty sure this is Dylan. He's got brown curly hair. He's wearing this really nice faux leather jacket. Dogs. He doesn't come wearing a shirt, unfortunately. Wow, his body. And he's got these really cool cargo pants. And what's really funny is that he actually comes with a cell phone. I don't know if it's his, but if that's not the most Y2K thing you've ever seen, like that in your little cargo pant pocket, that's kind of iconic. And I think these are his original shoes because like the skin on the shoes matches his actual body, so like I'm guessing it's his. I think it's Dylan. Then next, unfortunately, I do not know who this girl is, but she's so stinking beautiful. It is this beautiful Yasmin doll. You can see she has a couple marks on her face, but she is still overall really pretty. She's got this like long ass hair. So excited to clean that up. She's wearing Yasmin's like the Forever diamond shirt. It says girly. And she's got, oh my gosh, it's Sasha's pants, but I forgot whose pants it is. She's wearing strutted Sasha's like the 2003 one. Like she's wearing her pants. And oh my god, her shoes. I didn't even realize. I don't know whose shoes these are either. So if you could please let me know who those belong to. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, she's just so pretty. I'm so excited to like fix her up and make her beautiful. Then next, another doll that I don't know who, like I don't know who she is, but she's really pretty and I really want to know. I think she's a Chloe doll. She's got like little brown streaks in her hair. She's just really pretty. It's like Kanekalon hair too. Ooh, she's got a little mark there. She's got like a little chewed up arm though. This one's a little beat up, but she's like pretty nonetheless. She's wearing a Draculara outfit. We love that, but that's not the vibe. I don't think that's the vibe. And she's wearing these just like basic black pumps, and it's like her skin color too, so I guess maybe these belong to her. We'll have to find out, but she is really pretty. This is what her makeup looks like. She's got a thick smoky eye, like really nude lips. She's very, very pretty. Then next in the lot, oh my gosh, I feel this is like the biggest lot I've ever gotten. We've got, she's real beat up actually. We've got the movie, like the Bratz movie doll of Jade here. She comes with one earring, which is a success to me, and she just like has a little hoopy there. Unfortunately, she lost an arm. That's completely okay though. We're not ableist here, so she's still such a beautiful doll. Look at her. And actually, the seller was nice enough to actually include Jade's outfit here and Jade's shoes here too. So I'm really excited to put her in this and clean her up. And actually, I did say that there were 8 dolls in this lot. Initially, there were only 7. This is the 7th doll. I don't know if she's sought after. I don't know if anyone cares about Genie Magic Chloe, but Genie Magic was like iconic for what I remember of Bratz, right? This is amazing. I was excited. I feel like a lot of people would be excited if they found this in a lot too. That's why I had to snatch this one up, because I was like, I want a Genie Magic doll. Oh my gosh, and she's like basically complete. Like I'll say that she's complete just because like for me, if this was just like on a thing, I wouldn't even question it. Got her little, I don't want to call it a bindi, because like I don't actually know what it's called, and like I feel like that could be offensive if I say it wrong. I'm gonna say her little headpiece is there. Also, can we talk about how like a white girl is wearing like a, can I say Persian or like a Middle Eastern type of outfit? I don't know if that would fly nowadays. Beautiful girl. She's even got her little necklace. It's still attached on with the rubber band. She's got her little purple crop top here, and she's got this beautiful skirt. The thing I love the most about the Genie Magic dolls are their skirts. I love a good maxi. It's just so nice. It's just so pretty, and it feels so nice too. Oh, I'm gonna watch Genie Magic while I fix them. I'm so excited. Oh, they're so pretty. And of course we've got the little the henna tattoos on both sides of her arm and her feet as well. Oh, she's so pretty. So as I said, initially it was a lot of 7, but when my poor boyfriend, I feel like these past videos are just like accredited to him or like my best friend Emily. So my boyfriend, he went all the way to pick them up, and when he like lifted the thing, because like the seller just left it on their own doorstep, so we like went to go and like pick it up, and my boyfriend lifted up the thing because like it was like covered with like paper, and there was a Funk Out Jade as a freebie. Like the person just wrote freebie and a little happy face, and I'm gonna cry. I have a couple pieces of her too, so I'm really excited to try those on her. She's so pretty. I love Bratz dolls. I love the two-toned eyes. I love the eyeshadow there. Can you see that? I love her little china bangs. She's just so pretty. Like Jade is my favorite, like from the main 4. She's just such a pretty doll, and they love experimenting with her. So oh my god, I love her so much. So yep, that was everything for the dolls. But as I said, not only did she come with these outfit pieces, she actually included a lot more. Not a lot more, but a couple more things. We got a little baggie with a couple Bratz hairbrushes, which is, of course, always loved. And I've actually got another baggie of clothes here as well. Now, this is where I need y'all's help. Aside from that Yasmin and that Chloe and the Dylan. First thing I'll show you guys is this mini corduroy skirt. When I opened it, the first thing I thought about was My Scene. So I'm pretty sure this is a My Scene skirt or like a early 2000s Barbie skirt, because like there's no tag on it. So this is this is that. It has like a little flower with some suede ribbon hanging off of it, and it's like distressed at the bottom. I don't know where this goes. Then attached to the corduroy skirt, actually, which is definitely not supposed to, we've got this little belt. I'm pretty sure it belongs to a Bratz boy, but I could be completely wrong. But it's got like this like fire detail, or if we go upside down, this Aztec detail. This is the Aztec, this is fire. Yeah, I don't know who this belongs to, but it's really nice, and I would use it for a boy. And lastly, I swear to God, I know where this is. Like, I know who has this. I just cannot think of it. And my boyfriend and I were trying for like an hour to like figure out where this goes. We found one eBay listing that has a Chloe wearing this, but it didn't describe the outfit. So we still don't know where this comes from. I think it's either from a Jade or a Chloe doll. It's just this this jumpsuit. It's really nice, and I think I'm gonna put the Chloe in the Draculaura outfit in this, because I think that'd be cute for her. But yeah, that is essentially that. So yeah, everyone, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please tell me out of my array of Bratz dolls who your favorite is, and please in the comments, please help me figure out like who these girls are. We'll do this for you guys. I need to know who girl number 1, girl number 2, and the boy doll. I need to know who they are, who they're wearing. Help me figure out who owns this outfit, because that's fun. That's like the one stress. That's like the one thing about thrifting your Bratz dolls, is that sometimes they come with pieces and like you have no idea who they come from, where they came from. You don't really get an explanation of which dolls they are. It's like a lot. Actually, while my boyfriend and I were trying to figure out like who this belongs to, I showed him Passion for Bratz, you know, like the identification website, and they didn't have it on there, so I'm kind of scared it's not Bratz. But it fits a Bratz, like, I swear. But I showed him that, and that's when he like kind of like realized in his head, like, oh, Bratz collecting's a thing. Like, it's a big thing. It really is, because there's so many Bratz dolls. There's such a big like variety of Bratz dolls that you can collect, and they come with so many items that like sometimes you just need like an encyclopedia that you can refer to, right? So yeah, everyone, again, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna make a cleanup video for some of these dolls, probably like in parts, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye bye.